Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. You may have noticed recently that there's been a huge amount of hype around this new AI tool, ChatGPT. I was talking to a friend of mine who's a university lecturer about the emergence of ChatGPT the other day, and he was telling me that it's causing a kind of lot of upset and concern in universities because tutors are worried that students are just going to copy whole essays from ChatGPT or get the AI device just to basically write the essays for them. I said that as a language teacher, I don't really have this problem because usually when I'm teaching, it's easy for me to tell which bits students have written and which bits they haven't. Usually, if I'm doing like a first certificate kind of level exam class, I'll be looking at essays and I'll be able to tell. It will be like, yeah, upper intermediate level English, directly copied from somewhere on the internet, upper intermediate level English, upper intermediate level English. In other words, I can spot plagiarized sections a mile off. If you say that you can spot or see something, or you can see something coming a mile off, you mean you can see it or spot it very easily. So, for example, once I was in Barcelona and I was with a Spanish friend and we were walking down the Rambla, and about 100 metres in front of me was a guy standing on some kind of box shouting, "You there, English guy, English guy!" And I'm looking around to see who he could be talking about. And as I got closer, I realised he'd been pointing at me. And I said to my Spanish friend, how the hell can he know from that distance that I'm English? My Spanish friend laughed and said, "Come on, look at you. He can see you coming a mile off. It's very easy to recognise you're not Spanish." One of the guys who lives up the top of my road is a bit of a boy racer, and he has one of those souped up cars with blacked out windows and lights all round the bottom of the car, and unfortunately a huge sound system. Usually you hear this guy coming a mile off. You can hear the bass booming out of his car just as he turns into the road at the bottom. It's very, very annoying. If you watch a movie with a very predictable ending, you might complain later about how predictable the film was and how you saw the ending coming a mile off. And maybe, if you're a bit like my wife, you might be able to tell a liar a mile off. You can recognise them easily. You can spot them a long way off. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of things you can see or spot or recognise a mile off.